Hey my loves, so welcome back, and if you guys are new here, welcome to my channel. This is going to be an interesting video, but before we start, I'm sorry for the reflection, my glasses, the ring lights, I'm sorry, but I'll take them off in a minute. I don't normally do this, but I was like, whatever, let's just give it a try. So I got sent some hair from a company. This hair is from what? Let's run that back. XrsBeauty. Oh, Jesus Christ. They sent me some hair to try, and I was like, okay, you know, let's give this a go. I think I tried to lay down a lace front wig one time, and yeah, it wasn't for me. I ended up wearing that wig as like a headband wig. I had put a headband over it, like it was just too much. So I'm gonna try it again. They were kind enough to send me a wig. Let's just go through everything that's in the box. So this is the box that it comes in. So the wig itself, it does come in a plastic bag, a really nice comb. I'm like, this is really nice. They did send over a wig cap. This is like the adjustable strap, right, that you can sew it in the back if the wig is too big. Correct me if I'm wrong, but I know it goes somewhere. Get a edge control brush, and this is a really nice big one. So yeah, and then I'm happy about this because I just threw out all of my flexi rods and they sent over another pack. So yeah, so that's everything that you get in the box. So they have you ready to go when it comes to this hair and to style. As far as the tools that I have my flat irons. I don't have a hot comb. I know a lot of girls use a hot comb to lay the wig down, but I want to try to use my flat irons. I have my scissors to cut the lace, and then I have my got to be glued spray, which I don't know why it's halfway empty because I don't use it like that. Like I did, girl, I don't know. And I got a comb. So details on this wig, this is 16 inches. The density on this wig is 200%. And this is a clear lace, clean hairline, silky straight 13x6 lace frontal wig. The lace that is on the wig is supposed to be undetectable because the lace is clear. So the clear lace makes the hairline a little bit more natural, and that's something I would love to go for. Well, I want to go for a more natural hairline because, like I said before, I am like new to this. Like I do not lay, y'all know I do braids, so this is new to me, so that's why I wanted to try it. Like I said, I tried it once and I just couldn't even make it all the way through. So for this to be a clear lace, I think this will work out better for me as far as like trying to fix it up or, you know, whatever, just to make it as natural as possible. So I'm excited to actually try this and put this on my head. This is the clear lace, and I'm just gonna spray some got to be glued on my arm, and then I'm gonna put this on there so you guys can see how clear the lace is. So that is the lace right there, and like I said, this is their new clear lace frontal wig, and this is supposed to give off that natural hairline. So this is the lace, and then here are the combs, and then okay, so this is where you will put the strap if you need to adjust it. You can't cut the lace in the back. I'm not going to put the wig cap on because I just want to try this on and see. I'm just going to go ahead and stick the combs in my braids. So that was an advantage that I had these braids in my head already. I don't think I have a big head, so it fits. This is the length of the hair. See, I like the way it lays. Okay. Ooh, when I tell y'all, I'm nervous, baby. And like, girls make it look so easy. Oh, my eye. And y'all be doing this with makeup on, like, sis. So once again, this hair is from XrsBeauty. This clear lace is meant to be undetectable on your head, and the clear hairline is much more natural than the regular pre-plucked hairline. So this hairline is customized to make it melt to the skin perfectly. So like I said, this is my first time like really going all the way through and trying to actually lay down a lace front wig. And you guys, I felt that it was better for me to cut the lace completely then glue it, but I tried to do it like I see others and spray the got2b and then, you know, lay the lace and then cut it. So that's what I'm doing right here. I am cutting the lace. At this point, I just kind of lifted the lace up after I glued it because I just found that that way wasn't working for me. And once again, I am a beginner, so if you are a beginner, honey, we are going to be working through this together, and just keep practicing. That's what I'm going to do. I'm going to keep practicing, but I think this is the perfect wig to start off with because like I said, it's not too much hair, the length is perfect, and actually, to be honest with you, it was easy for me to actually lay it down. I just have to keep practicing and perfect melting the lace front down. But like I said, this is their clear lace and the hairline is supposed to be more natural. I don't know if you guys, well, I'm pretty sure you guys noticed the way that it lays it down in the front of my head. I love like that little flip over method. I love the way that looks. So right now I'm just trying to cut the lace to my liking and make it natural as possible. I'm gonna go ahead and flat iron it, y'all. I tried my best. Definitely have to practice. This hair is really nice and soft. I like this density because I don't like big hair. Maybe this hair will get bigger once you like curl it, but like put some curls in it and like fluff it out. But for me, this is fine. After I sprayed the got2b glue, I think I need to make sure I am pulling it just a tad bit so it won't be so like bumpy if the lace is not laid flat. But that's just, you know, trial and error. Like, I'm going to keep trying. I don't have a hot comb, so I would love to put this behind my ear, but so we're just gonna do that. This is the final look when it comes to the lace front. As you guys can see, it does hold a curl, and I didn't cut the lace in the back. And you can also pin. Oh, now listen, I would definitely have to play around with this a little bit more. I just took a little bit of brown gel and just made like some little fake baby hairs. I like this length. It looks natural to me. I don't need extra long hair. That's just me. My real hair looked like this. This is exactly how my real hair looked when it was flat iron. Once again, this hair is from XrsBeauty. I will leave everything linked down below. I will have all the information for this wig. I have all the details about this wig in the description box if you guys are interested, if this is your style, if you like the way it looks, honey. If you are a beginner like myself and you just want something to practice with, I think this is a really nice practice wig because, honey, Like I tried, and it don't look bad. I want to thank XrsBeauty for sending over this wig. You can put this in a ponytail if you want to. You just have to cut the lace in the back, and that's what it would look like if it was, you know, in a ponytail. It looks really like it's growing out of my scalp. Okay, so definitely check out their website. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you guys comment down below. If you are new here, consider subscribing. If you're just stopping by, that is fine as well. Thumbs up this video, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.